What's going on, guys? This is Simon from SG, and in this video we're going to go over how to bulk update a subscription that has one product to the new product. So I recently got a question on one of my videos about how to bulk update a product subscription price for all customer subscriptions that has a product. So for example, if the subscription price increased from $10 to $12, how to bulk update that price across everyone's subscription. But this video is about how to bulk update to a new product. So for example, here's the comment I got. Can Automate Woo bulk update existing subscribers to a different product SKU? Long story short, we changed the way we're delivering our products / subscriptions and created a new SKU to do this. We want to delete the old SKUs but can't while they're active subscribers. Link to them. Awesome. So whether you're just getting started with WooCommerce subscriptions or you're still a few weeks in or a few days in, this is a common occurrence. And so how to bulk update all the subscribers that have this old light roast product on their subscription to this new SKU. So we're gonna look for the subscriptions that have this light roast old product SKU and then update it to this new SKU so they all are using the new SKU. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, I'm gonna go to my WordPress dashboard and then I'm gonna go to my subscriptions just to show you guys an example real quick. So if I go to, let's say like Tory Hunter, he has this light roast and that's using the old product SKU. But I want to bulk update all my subscriptions that have the light roast old product SKU to the new light roast product SKU that can be seen, right here, right? So this is the one I want to bulk update them all. So with that, I'm going to go to Automate Woo workflows. I will put the link for the Automate Woo plugin in the description box below, and feel free to use my link if you want to help me out. So I'm going to go to Add Workflow. And then I'm just gonna name this, you can name it whatever you want that makes sense for you. And I'm gonna make this a manual workflow. And then I'm gonna do subscription. Awesome. And then I'm gonna add an action, okay? So I'm gonna add an action to add a product, okay? So I'm gonna add light roast, new SKU. So that's the new SKU that we have. Right? I want to do 1 and I'm going to do the price. If it's a custom product price, you can do it. So I'm going to do 9 because that's the subscription price. But you can put, whatever price you want in there or it'll inherit the normal price. So I'm going to add a product and then I also want to remove a product. So then I want to remove the light roast like this. This is the original product that we're using. Okay, and just if you want to see all the options, I can type in light roast because we have a lot of them, but I want to remove this light roast right here. Okay, and then I also want to add a rule right here. So I'm going to add a rule, subscription items includes light roast. Okay. So I'm just gonna go through this one more time. We are going to manually do this so it won't run on a schedule or do it automatically. This will still run automatically, but it's a manual workflow. So you'll see in a second. So I want to, for all subscriptions that contain the light roast in their subscription, I want to add a subscription product, right? So this light roast new SKU for $9. Right? And then I want to remove this light roast 18. Okay. So I could also add different rules here as well. So I could also add maybe a custom field or a specific payment method or items, whatever you want to include, right? So maybe the status is active or whatever you want to do, or on hold, or whatever your use case is. For now, I'm just gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna add a product, okay, and then I'm gonna remove this light roast product. Okay, so I'm gonna click save. Cool. So then I can go and I can click run right here. If you haven't seen my Automate Woo tutorial, I'll link that in the description box below. But I'm gonna click run. And before clicking run, I just wanna show you guys the before and after. So let's go back to my subscriptions and I'm gonna open up a Johan Santana. I think that's right here. So Johan Santana has 1 light roast, okay? And if I go back to Tory Hunter, he has 1 light roast with the old product SKU. Cool. So then I'm gonna come back to the workflow and I'm gonna click run. And when I refresh those, they will update. So we're gonna find the matching items. And now we're gonna run our workflow. Awesome. So now 5 subscriptions were successfully added to the queue. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes for it to run. And I can view it in the queue. Okay. It's being queued up. You can see right here, the queue is checked every 2 minutes. So I'm gonna wait 2 minutes and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna look to see what, or how they were updated. Awesome, so 2 minutes has passed and now in my queue, I can see that all of my workflows have ran for all of my subscriptions. And now if I go back to, let's say this Tory Hunter subscription right here, where he has, a light roast. And if I click refresh, so I'm gonna click refresh to refresh my page. And I can see that after refreshing the page, the new product SKU has been updated. And I can also see this with this Johan Santana workflow. So you can see that he has light roast right here. And now if I refresh the page, it has the new product. So that is how to bulk update subscriptions from one product to a new product SKU. And if you got value out of this video, make sure you give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and all the links can be found in the description box below. The road to 3,000 subscribers. If you can subscribe, hit that like, makes a big deal, or leave a comment if you got value out of it. Awesome. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.